Cat 26 here, just tips, and hobbies. Hi guys, how you doing today? And we got this little contraption here we're gonna put together. And let's see. I'm gonna take this. This is for your cords. And this goes in here, I believe, like that. Let's see. Let's see if we can get it started. Like that. Okay. And this goes in here like this. Take this USB off. And I wonder, does that go in there like that? And then we take this and we feed it like this. Put that through there, like this. And wind up the USB. Like that. I don't know if it snaps together or not, but comes out pretty well. So you hold it like this. Comes out. Oh, wow. Has retraction, I guess. So let's see. Tighten it up. Just by the cord, it will spring loose. Put the plug on there, and then take it apart. Just go like this. Take it apart. Pretty interesting device. Pretty interesting. Just put it on there. Okay. So there's the retractable. There's the retractable device for keep your cords. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you find this helpful, please rate, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. Try to reach 100,000 subscribers. I can only do it with your help. Bye for now.